what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks on monday.com. So first, you may want to head over to monday.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in your workspace, you can start by creating a new task or you can also start assigning from your existing tasks. And to assign tasks to your members, all you have to do is select, of course, the task that you want to assign. So, say for example, we want to assign someone on task 2. So, in the right corner, click on the add column or the add button. The next is click on people. And from here, beside task 2, just click on the add button and select the member or your staff that you want to assign to the task. And just by that, we have assigned them to this specific task. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!